Time is not always the same. If we change and move forward, then new rules have to be determined accordingly. In primitive times, man lived without clothes. In the medieval period, dhoti and dupatta were the only two unstitched garments used. Initially, the work could be done alone with rough tools and weapons. Even in the medieval period, the bow, arrow, and shield swords were the main instruments of war. Now, without firearms, the work cannot be done. Circumstances change over the time and then have to find solutions. Pandit Shriram Sharma Acharya. Book title: Manah Sthiti Badle to Paristhiti Badle. If the mindset changes, then only circumstances or situation will change. Have you ever wondered how you can control your mind to change the circumstances? Also, what is more important for happiness, materialism or spiritualism, or a balance between the two? Since time is immemorial, there have been two extreme thought processes going on. One mindset believes in materialistic progress, and the other mindset is based on the ideology that the state of mind creates circumstances. The second ideology is more related to the spiritual perspective that we can be happy and content under any circumstances if we have restraint over our desires and can live with empathy and satisfaction. This book explains how one can move towards prosperity by changing constrained mindset and our personality. With time, things changes. There are technological advancements and change in people's thinking, principle, and local customs. For example, from living in caves, we have moved to better homes. With time, we have to change and adopt new ways of living. There is a lot of extravagance show off even in people who cannot afford it. Glad to present a small book on the topic that explains if you change your mindset, then the situation changes. Some excerpts from the book. Man's real wealth is his personality. If it is of living standard, it can produce abundant wealth in the fields, gardens, self-pleasers, and spirit of others and grow greenery on a rock. If the work is done systematically and holistically, the level of work output increases and so does the value of labor. This increases the ability of the brain to think and also intuition and instinct. One can hardly live a proud life as a dependent. Of course, one can get wealth in inheritance, but the money earned with dishonesty or unfair means is not easily digested. The wall of heaven and hell are interlinked. The house is the same, but when entering through one door, one reaches hell, a room full of filthy hell. But if you can enter through the other door, then a full atmosphere of cleanliness, decor, and fragrance is seen. Some topics covered in the book: compulsory implementation of Yug Dharma, extravagant show-off of wealth by poor, all three gardens will thrive or flourish and give satisfaction. How will scarcity end with overuse or misuse? Need more virtues than means. Be generous. If you change your mindset, then the situation will change. Find the basis of change.